found out recently that my cigarette lighter hasn't been working. I don't smoke, so that's why I didn't find it out sooner enough. So this is what's happening. It's not lighting, as you can see, so I'll have to troubleshoot and see what's actually going on. So I got a fuse board, the fuse layout here. This is the layout for the car and the different fuse compartments that we have and the different colors here. This is the fuse layout. Alright, so I looked for cigar socket. So I looked for the cigar lighter, which is a cigar lighter, as you can see, is 71 here, right? This is the cigar lighter. So I went here and looked for where 71 was, and as you can see, it's in between fuse compartments 37 to 87, and 37 to 87, as you can see on the car, is located in the rear boot, in the trunk of the car, and basically this is where 71 is, right there. So I'm going to go to the back and look for this and see if that will turn on my cigarette lighter. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so without wasting any time, let's go to the back. I would recommend not having keys inside, and better to even disconnect the battery. Right, so let's go to the back and see what's going on. Right, so this is the air filter we placed some time ago. So yeah, this is the fuse compartment that we're looking for. It's just that it's a bit dark, but if you look nicely, you'll find that, let me see if I can get a torch. See, 70, 71, 72, 73. Right, sure, now you can see. So I found out that there's no fuse here, and I'm going to go ahead and see what type of fuse it is. And from the map that we have here, 71 is 15 amps. So I got a set of you can see fuses from a local shop, and yeah, we're going to go and put in a 15 amp fuse there and see if that fixes the problem. Right, so this is our fuse here, 15 amps, and we are going to go ahead and connect it on 71. Right, it's just, can you put some torch for me here? Right, we're going to go ahead and connect it on 71, 71, which is currently this one. Right, 15 amps. Right, like this, and that should do it. So now we have a fuse here. Let's go and see if it's turned on. Right, so it's not on. I'm going to put in the key and see if it turns on here. Yes, as you can see, it's now on. Right, our device is now lighting, and yeah, we've actually got it. Right, that's a win-win, and it's a learn for us. Let's start the car and see if it starts. Let's start the car. that's a win for us. Yep, test started and our device is now working. So yep, that's a win-win.